Well, good morning, y'all. If I look extra tired, it's because I have not gotten my coffee yet. So we are in line to get my coffee. Yeah, I get the same thing from Starbucks every single time. Like, venti white chocolate mocha with an extra shot of espresso to keep me going, okay? So here's my thing. I'm all of April, y'all, no Starbucks at all. And this is gonna be a difficult one because I love Starbucks. Jesus, Starbucks, and Target, y'all. So it's gonna be hard, but y'all, I need to do it.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Yes, ma'am. Can I get a venti white chocolate mocha hot with an extra shot of espresso?
Sure. What else can I get for you?
That's everything.
Okay, it's going to be $6.66 at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Like I said, y'all, like I already have that skit down because I come here way too much. way too much. So today's my day off from work. Okay, backtrack. Today, this week is spring break for school or whatever. So I haven't had class all week, but I've been at work all week. But today I was off, thankfully. So I had to get some blood work done for my doctor. Apparently white blood cells are down. Y'all wait till I get my coffee. I'm gonna get it all together when I get my coffee. But they're like really low, so she wanted to retest me like a few weeks. It is a few weeks, so retesting. So I did that. I need coffee and something to eat. And I need to get grocery shopping. Bailey also has a doctor's appointment at 2. So I need to go take her to do that. And I just have some like schoolwork to catch up on before we go back. Yes, y'all, it's maybe spring break, but I still have work that needed to be worked on before I go back to school on Tuesday. So it ain't really a spring break, but whatever, it's like whatever. I'm also trying to get fit and lose my little mommy muffin top I got, because y'all, I was getting super thick. Like your girl was getting thick, which, I love the extra, okay? But my stomach, I only have one child, and I want it to look like I have no kids, okay? Like none. Just saying. But yeah, I'm finna get this drink, give me something to eat, and then we gotta go to the store and start grocery shopping. Right? I will see y'all in a bit. Woo! All right, y'all. I feel so much better now that I ate, because I don't know. So speaking of food, so I'm trying to get fit. I'm trying to be real cute this summer on somebody beach, okay? I really am. Somebody pool, somebody beach. It don't matter. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. I just want to be real cute, and just look good. Because, in my singleness, I'm trying to do everything that I want to eventually take into my marriage. Like, healthy habits. Like working out, looking good. All of that. I want to take all of that. This is not a facade. Like, I want to take all of that into my marriage, right? Which I don't know that it's going to be, but whatever. So I'm working on all of me now. Point is, so I hit up my homegirl. And she real fit, y'all. It's like she's always been fit as long as I've known her these last few years. Like she's always like working out. Like that's just her, So I hit her up and I was like, Janae, like, fam, what do I do to get rid of the stomach? Because I feel like the workouts I'm doing not working. I don't know, like, I don't even know where to start. And so she gave me some workouts to do. And she said she had signed up for this 6-pack city thing or whatever. It's like a diet and workout plan. And that she was going to send me the information. So I did the workout she told me to do. Let's just say I am very, very out of shape, okay? Very out of shape. I need to do better. I just started yesterday, but y'all, I was like, this hurts. This hurts. But yeah, I really, really want this stomach. Like, and if you know me personally, I'm a super determined person. Like, once I want something, you're in my way, move. Excuse me. And, you know, sometimes that's good, sometimes it's bad. It just kind of depends. But I've noticed, like, when I'm really determined, I focus in on it. And I've just been trying to be real intentional about what I focus in on now, right? So I'm gonna bear through it. I'm gonna get through it because I know the benefit is gonna pay off. Like, the pain, it will pay off. So anyway, so she sends me the workout plan and the you know, the meal prep stuff. And y'all, I was like, Janae, you didn't say we could eat. I was like, I don't know if I can do this. Like, I don't know, fam. Like, you ain't say there wasn't no food involved. Cause y'all, I like to eat. I really do. Like, I love to cook. I love to eat. I love to go out to eat. I love food, okay? I could never be like a chef or anything because I don't spend all my time cooking around food. Like, no. But I like food, y'all. But I just want to be healthier and I want to eat better and I want to be a better person. She was like, I know, girl. I know it's going to be hard. I was like, that's all we get to eat for breakfast? That's it? That's wrong. They wrong for that. They wrong for that. They could let us eat. Yo, that's really how I felt. She was like, we're going to get through this, girl. We're going to do this. I was like, I'm going to be calling you because I need support. I'm going to need support. I'm going to need help because I like to eat. And there's not enough food. So, yeah. So, I'm not going to lie. I cheated this morning. I woke up late. I was tired. I had to take Bailey to, you know, daycare or whatever. I got a Starbucks. And I went to Einstein Bros. But the rest of the day, I'm going to do better. I'm going to do so much better, y'all. Because this is a meal prep kind of thing. So I'm actually going to grab the stuff. Like, I really didn't even have everything that it was telling me to eat. So I'm going to actually go into the store and grocery shop for what me and Bailey, you know, need. And on top of this, diet stuff or whatever. And, yeah. So, yeah. And, y'all, okay. So, I know I gave y'all 10 days to, you know, put a question on the question video. Y'all only got 3 questions. Like, y'all want this to be a very short video, don't y'all? So please, please, please leave as many questions, y'all. I will answer. I accidentally stopped the camera. I will answer all of the questions, truthfully, honestly, to the best of my ability. But all right, we finna get up in this grocery store and go grocery shopping, okay? y'all. So I hope y'all like that little, you know, tidying up little part of my day. Now I got the little baby monster. She had to wake up during her nap. Bailey. She had to wake up a little bit earlier than usual. She had just fell asleep from what they told me. But she gotta go to her doctor's appointment. Her 3-year-old checkup that should have happened a while ago. But, you know, life is busy and yeah, so we're doing it now. So I'm taking her to her 3-year-old checkup, and then I was supposed to get my lashes done. So we'll see. Hopefully I can still go get them done. But yeah, so I tidied up, I cleaned up my room, you know, a little bit, changed the sheets. I did my little workout. I'll probably do it again later. Yeah, on my hair, I know. So I threw on some lip gloss and changed out my jacket. Well, this ain't a jacket, but whatever. And we finna head to the doctor, y'all. So I'll probably see y'all later at some point in time. What's up, y'all? Okay. So we just got back from the doctor. It was Bailey's 3-year checkup. I know it was like overdue, but whatever. It got done. So now we're back home. She's upstairs taking a nap because homegirl just in the car fell asleep. I had bought her a Happy Meal and she can eat that when she get up. So I stopped by Starbucks because, you know, it's Thursday and it's past 3 o'clock, it's 4 o'clock, so it's happy hour. So I went to get a little pick-me-up, okay, because your girl's tired. I've been up since 7, which is later than when I usually get up, so I had to make sure Bailey got to daycare on time. So I need to prep. I need to make Bailey's lunch. I already have a meal prep for tomorrow for when I go to work. So I have my lunch, but I saw this really cool thing on Pinterest. It's like protein snack thing that I'm going to make. And it's like cheese, tomatoes. I love tomatoes, y'all. What else? Lunch meat is really good. Well, it looked really good. It's all the things I eat separately anyway. So I'm finna get some Tupperware and piece that together, okay? All right, y'all, so I got some cucumbers. I got some, this is oven roasted turkey, and then this is Cajun fried turkey. And I got some cheese, and then some champagne sweet potatoes. Can y'all see that? All right, so I'm only gonna make like 3. But yes, I'm not using all of this. That would be ridiculous. Okay, so let's start. Put some of this oven roasted turkey, and I just like turkey, so it really don't matter. I'm gonna roll mine up. Yeah. Like I said, I'm hungry. So it's probably not a good idea to be doing this while I'm hungry. But it's whatever. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm hungry. Now, I'm gonna do this one next. And I ain't one of those people who care if they food touch. Like, that don't bother me at all. This one is what? Try to make it even as possible. So now I'm gonna do the cheese. I'm gonna do the cucumbers last because I gotta cut them up. So let's do. Man, I'm gonna eat that one. Come on. Yeah. So I'm thinking, well, it should be good, right? One. I'll cut up another one. This is how it turned out. I think this one's the prettiest. What y'all think? Yeah? And this one. Alright, y'all.
Popsicle.
You always want a popsicle. You gonna turn into a popsicle. You wanna turn into a popsicle? Yeah? So what happens when you melt? What's gonna happen?
What's gonna happen
Yeah, what's gonna happen?
when I weigh? I just
Huh?
push my finger.
Malaya pinched your finger? That's not what I asked you though. What happens when you melt? Cause you wanted to be a popsicle.
What happened to the milk?
Not the milk. What's gonna happen to you?
What happened to me?
Uh-huh. Y'all, so it's late and I forgot to kind of like end the vlog. So, y'all have a good night, a blessed one. Comment, like, and subscribe, y'all. Peace.